Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Kayla. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Do not mind that bump that's on my forehead. So today I am going to be going to the thrift store. Yeah, the thrift store. I had to think about it for a second because I'm going other places, but the video is mainly about the thrift store because I'm going to be doing like DIYs with the clothes. I just wanted to do like a DIY, do something creative because I've just been like more and more in this creative headspace, and like everything is just like opening up all over again, and it feels really good. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing in this video. But yeah, I will see y'all in the car because I'm going to go pick up my sister. But I love these Knowledge box braids. I should have shown a video of my sister doing them. No, my sister, she's going to be doing her own YouTube channel. But I love Knowledge box braids. They have like a chokehold on me. But anywho, I will see y'all in the car. Bye.
Oh. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome. Oh. Alright, yeah. So I'm in the car. And we're at the thrift store or whatever, and we're about to go inside. I don't think you can say that on YouTube.
Really?
I'm gonna beat that up.
It's good. So that's why I feel ugly in videos. When I record, I be like, no, that was so fucking ugly.
I'm keeping this in the
And
video.
I delete it, and then the video.
Okay. Hey y'all, so we're at the second thrift store. Like I said earlier, I did find some good things there, but we're just gonna check this one to see if there's anything better at this one. So yeah, we're just about to go in. Welcome back. I'm at home now. Don't mind my room because like I'm trying to fix it up. Matter of fact, let me turn the camera around and everything around. Oh Lord. This is more like this way. Okay, don't mind my room. I'm trying to redecorate. That's why I bought like all these vases and it. Well, I'm about to show y'all, but I was actually it's like a whole bunch of clothes on my bed because I want to give away some clothes because I can't fit a lot of clothes. Funny thing is, I used to weigh more, but now I'm like 116. So yeah, but anywho, before we get started, I'm sorry it's like You can see my bra straps. This shirt is so annoying. Like, it just it's like one of those wide shirts, so I would have to wear like a bra that's like strapless, because this is annoying. But anywho, I'm just gonna show y'all what I got from the thrift store. It was mostly like home stuff, because the clothes, I didn't really see a lot of stuff that I wanted. I wasn't really trying to go towards clothes for like fall or anything like that. They had a lot of sweaters and stuff, and I didn't really want that. So I was like, nah. And because it's about to be spring and summer, so I was like, just forget it. I don't even know what this is. Oh yeah, so I gotta wash this stuff because it was like very dusty. But this is one of the glass vases that I got. I want another one, but this was the only one that I seen like this. And then if I went to freaking, you know, Target or somewhere else, I'm pretty sure this would have been like $20-$30, somewhere near there. But this was freaking I don't know if you can see that, but it was $3. That's it. So that was the first thing. But what I really want to do with this, I want to put like candles, like a big long candle in it, or with color. And I am thinking about like making some candles. But that was the first thing. And then I got another one just like it, but it's just smaller. And this one was $2.99 instead of $3.99. And also the second thrift store that we went to, they didn't really have that much like clothes. Like, we were trying to look at clothes, but they didn't really have anything for real. So yeah, that sucked. But I really like this, like the wavy look to it. Once I really get into like fixing up my apartment and everything and how I want it to be, then I'm gonna have like a lot of stuff that looks like this. Because I don't know, it's just like one of like my creative things that come to my head. Like, I don't know, I just don't want to talk too much. But anyway, this was 99¢. Like, I was like, what? Anywhere else, I feel like this probably would have been at least $15-$10, somewhere like that. I also got this, and I feel like this would go with the stuff that I want to do in my living room, like the colors. And this was only $2.99. It's like gold, and it has like it just looked like splashes of like another gold color, but it's pretty good. And then I got this, and then my sister was telling me I could put those little feather things like to go inside this one, and I was like, oh yeah, that would be cute. So I just went ahead and got it. This was $3.99, and I really was not expecting to get this stuff from the thrift store. I don't know why. And I had to get like these colorful, well, not colorful, but the color ones. They're just so cute to me, so I had to get them. And this was $3.99 as well. So this, yes, you know already, but this I had to get. I don't know, this is so cute, and I feel like it would just go with what I want. So I just had to get it. I had to, yeah. But I gotta wash them because they like wrote on them, and it's a little dirty. Anyway, so I gotta wash them. And then I kind of feel like I started to just like get too many, but I don't care. Like, I saw these and I was like, yes, I just have to love them. But I still don't even think it's enough. Like, I feel like I need more colors, like green and stuff like that. My favorite color is green. And my couch, I want my couch to be like a velvet green, so that's what I want. And I got another one. Oh no. Okay, so this is the oil burner, but they left wax in it, so yeah, I'm gonna have to just warm it up and remove it. But I don't like the color of this, So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna repaint it. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just gonna get some oil instead of using wax, because my sister has an oil burner and hers smells so good. So that's what I want. And this was $1.99. I was thinking it was gonna be more, but no, it was just $1.99. And then I got a toilet paper holder. Guys, I don't know, I didn't have one, so I just got one. So yeah. And I wanted this. It didn't come with the letters, but I'm just gonna order them off of Amazon instead of paying like $20 for it. I don't know. But this was only $2.99. I thought it was $4, but it was only $2.99. So I was just like, why not just go ahead, get it, and then just order the letters from Amazon. But I already know what I want to put on there, but I will just show y'all what I'm gonna put on there later on once I get the letters. So yeah. Okay, so this is the last bag. Okay, so this, instead of like home goods, this is like purses and, you know, ideas. So I saw this and I was like, get it. It is a little dirty and it needs to be cleaned up, of course, but purses like this, I feel like they're just so cute and they're so sleek, and it is how I kind of want to start to dress. Like, you know, the luxury black girl, you know, the girls that we be seeing on Pinterest. Yes, like I'll post pictures, but I want to start dressing like that. And I just had this image in my head and I was like, that's who I want to be. Well, I am her, but I'm just developing into her. Okay, so yeah, but this color, the way it's so firm, and it's not like, you know how some bags, they be like, I can't describe it, but they kind of fall and it's not firm enough and it don't stand up on its own. Yeah, I kind of like how this is, and this was $7.99. I feel like somewhere else, I don't know, probably like you get off a Shein or something, but I feel like this bag somewhere else probably would have cost at least probably $20, at least $20. So this is a good find. I really like this, and I feel like I'm gonna give what it's supposed to give, or whatever. Whatever we say, I don't know, but I feel like it's gonna give. It's gonna be so cute when I style it. Was this bag right here? Now this is like a dark chocolate type of bag. My sister, she wasn't feeling it. She actually pointed it out to me, but I was like, yes, I was just feeling it. So I was like, I just can't, just not, like, I feel like it's gonna go with my black girl luxury aesthetic. Like, yeah, is that it? I think that is. But I feel like it's gonna do, I feel like it is. It is. The only thing about it, it does have some type of like damage to it down here, like it's been worn a lot, but I don't mind that. It's not too bad. The bag is not bad at all, and the inside is not bad. It looked like it was barely used, like somebody's grandmother just hung it up in the closet and it got rubbed against other clothes and stuff. There's no smell, there's nothing bad about it. I don't really think it's like name brand, but to be honest, I don't care about name brands. If you can find a $20 shirt and make it look stylish, then you know what you're doing. So don't always worry about stuff like that. Okay. But anywho, this bag was $7.99. So yeah, I think these were the only two expensive things out of this haul. So yeah, but I really love these. I cannot wait to style these. Yeah, the last two items I got were these blankets. Okay, so the idea for these blankets, I'm not gonna like keep them. I mean, I am gonna keep them, but they're not gonna remain as a blanket. Y'all know the blanket pants? Yes, I'm gonna create those, because I want to get back into sewing. Like I used to sew, but I stopped. I don't know why I stopped, but yeah, I'm just gonna get back into doing the things that I always wanted to do. I even started drawing again, which is really good. Like I feel like my creative outlet and everything is just flowing. Like everything is just flowing back into me, and it feels so good. That's why I just took time away. But I'm not gonna get into all that. But like I said, I got this blanket, and it has like a lot of designs. It's like a house, and I see stars and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one for the pants, and I'm gonna do this. So this one was cute to me. It stuck out because of the hearts on it, and I'm gonna keep like the frayed part on it too. Okay, this one got that smell. It got that yeah, it got that smell. Not like a bad smell, but you know, like how you walk into somebody's house and it's like, yeah, your house is a house, and it's that grandma. She cook on Sundays after Sunday. I said after Sunday, after church, and it's like a certain type of perfume. And grandma and granddad sit in those chairs watching the football game on Sundays. That's what it smells like. I don't know. That was too detailed. I don't know. But anywho, that's pretty much it. Oh, so let me show you the outfit of the day. This is my outfit. At first I had on that puffer jacket, but I went outside and it was warmer than I actually thought it was. It was windy, but it felt really good outside, so I wasn't tripping. And I wore the jacket because it was windy, and my bra straps. So this is the jacket that I wore, and hopefully y'all can see, but and these jeans are from the garage, and I just wore my Vans. And yeah, my sister said I was dressy. I didn't really feel dressy. I didn't really feel like that, but she said I was. But yeah, today was a really cool chill day. I really hope y'all like this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a lot more DIYs and just bringing other stuff to my channel. So yeah. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all. Oh yeah, no, before I go, to the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Oh my gosh, that feels good to say. But thank you so much, and I appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. And yeah.